What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? Good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. And I had this great idea. Man. I was like, y'all know what? I'm sitting around here thinking about it. And I was like, my bro Jesse, he do all these work on these cars, right? And you know, y'all saw that other video, the big rim stuff, and you know, people gonna have mixed comments and all that, but I was sitting here thinking, I'm like, Jesse and the guys at Lawless, they work on all these cars, man. They build some fast race cars. They constantly mounting up big rim cars and all that. But I said, this man has never driven a big rim car. When I say driven, I'm not talking about going down the little street he take, man. He'll take a right and go down the little street, test drive it, turn back in. That ain't driving, man. So I said, he ain't never driven a big rim car. So I think, man, we need to pull up on him and see what he think, man. See what he think, cause what I'll do, I'm gonna hop in Dolo today. I'll let him keep Dolo, man, for about 12 hours or something. Just go to lunch, drive it, whatever, man. I'm gonna see if he's down for it first. But it's a twist. It's a twist, man. Y'all know I can't be regular with nothing. I can't be regular with nothing, man. I'm gonna tell y'all what it is at the end. But I know Jesse don't be getting around to seeing the video later, so he ain't gonna know by the time I drop the car with him and everything. If he down for it. So, like I said, we're gonna hop in Dolo. I got it uncovered. And if he down for it, then I might go ahead and leave it with him. Maybe. If he got space. And then, nah, I can't. Because it's a twist. Y'all stay tuned, man. I got a plan. It's one stipulation to him driving and keeping this car. And drive. I just want him to drive around. I'm gonna give him a GoPro and everything if he's down for it. I want to see. It's gonna be funny, man. Just to get the reaction call. The thing with big rim car, man, it's just stereotype. Typical stereotype, man. People think only black people supposed to drive. You'll see a guy like Jesse, you'll be like, man, he'll never drive one of them. So it just turn heads, man. It's not gonna be funny if he do it. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna pull up down there, see what he got going on. Y'all stay tuned. All right, y'all, checking back in, man. So said Jesse was he was handling business with a customer and stuff, man. I think he done. Hey, you through, Jesse? Yeah, man. He was handling business with a customer, but I told y'all, man. Hey, look, Jesse, check this out.
Yeah.
Now we got. I know you do a lot of these big rim cars, right?
Yep.
You ever just really drove one, like besides just up the street and stuff?
Nah, not really. About 10 to that block and back, about as far as I've ever driven one.
Look, I told y'all, man. He turned right out here, go down. Hey, let me ask you this, man. It gonna seem random too. So what size hat, shirt, and like pants, shoes and stuff you wear?
I wear like a 2X shirt and 10.5 shoe, hat, probably just like extra large.
What's extra large? We going, y'all. right, y'all. So y'all see, man. I just grabbed my boy a fit. That's why I told him I'ma holler at him, man. I just grabbed him a fit, and if he gonna drive the big rim car, he got to be in big rim fashion. He got to. It's only right, man. So my plan was, I was like, let me get Jesse something he don't traditionally wear. So I picked out something, man. I'm like, he'll never wear this. You'll never see him in them shoes, them pants, shirt, the whole fit, man. Got him, man. I mean, of course he can keep it, man. It's his or whatever. So look out for me while I'm getting there. Jesse might not never wear it again, never know. But so we got the fit, man. We're gonna have my boy. So he gonna have the car. I'm gonna leave the car with him. He gonna have the fit. I just get him to take me to the house, or somebody take me to the house. So he gonna have. Or I call wife. That's what I do. I call wife come pick me up. So he gonna have the fit. He gonna have the car. And then we're gonna see what he do. We're gonna see what he do, man. I told him I'm gonna give him a GoPro. I'm gonna give him a GoPro too. I'm gonna say, hey man, here go a GoPro. Have it. And then we gonna see. Get reaction, man. You gotta keep it all day, man. You gotta have the fit on and everything, man. He gotta be in full character. You gotta be in full character, so it's gonna be fun. So yeah, I'm finna get back, get over there, drop it out with him. Y'all stay tuned. Let's get it. Y'all checking in, man. So I just got back. And look, he in here in the office right now. We're gonna be like, man, what this for? Yo, what up, Jesse?
What's going on, man? What you up to?
Man, just came back, man. You know, I had Lil, man. So look,
What you got right there?
it's my stipulation, man.
Oh, stipulation?
Yeah, look, I told him, I said, you drive a big rim car, you got to be in big rim trim. So, look.
You don't must wear outfit.
Yeah, I got on my outfit. Look, man. Look, I got the whole Adidas outfit.
Yo, man.
I got my outfit. I told him, I said, my boy never wear no stuff like that. I said,
You got me a tracksuit too, didn't you?
Yo, he already know. hey, he already know that's what I got too, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Look. Yeah, man, so look, if y'all didn't see the B-roll, look, boom.
Oh, man, them clean.
Yeah, I got the shell toe, man, you can't go wrong with the class shell toe, man. That's what I had, what size you will.
Yeah.
Got the pant, we got the coat, and then he got the hat too, man.
That's gonna be my racing suit.
That's the racing suit.
That's my racing suit.
Look, I gotta turn y'all around, man. Y'all can't see y'all enough. But man, so look, I told y'all, man, Jesse gonna keep Dolo. He gonna keep Dolo, man. So I'm gonna go ahead and let me see. I be having my house keys and stuff, y'all. So look, he gonna keep Dolo, man. So here you go, right here.
All right.
Is it, man? So hey, it's all here now. I mean, look. He gonna keep Dolo. I told him, man, he got to wear the outfit and everything, man. But it's all here now. I told him I'm gonna give him a GoPro. I'm gonna give him a GoPro and everything so he can record this and that. And man, I'm looking forward to it. I want to see it on his channel. With it. It's gonna be on his channel though. Of course, this video. But I just thought I show y'all did call. It was my idea. I like, man, he can drive the car, man. He never drove no big rim car besides going up the street like he told y'all. So y'all just stay tuned, man. We're gonna see where it go.